I'm going to show you how to manipulate an image using Puppet Warp. This is really cool, this Puppet Warp. Okay, so if you're in my class, you're working on 06 working.psd, and make sure that you are clicked on the model copy. And you have the magazine background turned off. So we're just working on the model copy. Make sure that you're clicked actually on the thumbnail of the model, not the mask. Okay, that's the mask, that's the image. All right. And next I want you to go up to Edit and select Puppet Warp, this guy. And it picks everything that's on the screen. This is so cool. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take our head, we're going to tilt it upwards. So you're going to put about, you're going to put a dot. Basically these dots that we're going to put down here, these are saying, yeah, this, keep the image in this section the same. We're going to go right here on her neck and we're going to come across. And I'm going to click on each one of these vertices and I'm going to jump across and put one right here on the nape of her neck, right here. Okay, then we come down, going to go on the outside of her hair like that, and maybe two more. We're going to go, come on, can I have one? There it is. And last one down here on the bottom. So this area here is all going to be kept the same. So like it's been frozen. And we're going to click once on this guy right here in the nape of the neck. Now, really important. You're going to hold down the Option key right now. See this little thing that comes around, this last thing that we clicked on. Okay? Don't click on the circle. If you do, see how it turns to a little scissors? It means that it deletes it. By the way, you can use that if you clicked on one that you don't want. Okay, so we're going to hold down the Option key, Alt key for Windows, and we're going to click and drag. And look at that. Isn't that wild? Isn't that really neat? Okay, that's good. So you'll notice up at the top we have this number that's happening right here. So I want you to drag this downwards till you get to 170. Now you will find that it jumps on you. And it's kind of a pain when it comes to that. To tell you the truth, I suggest that you let go of the Option key and click 170. While you're there, check out and see what happens if you hit negative 170. Right? And so you can actually go down to negative 179 and up to positive 180, as a matter of fact. That's what positive 180 looks like. We want 170 and we like this, so click either enter or the check mark. And that's it, folks. That's Puppet Work. Puppet Warp. Save your work.